Too much love, it's a heavy load. Walking down this lonely road, heart in pieces, soul in two. Loving you's the hardest thing to do. Every touch, it's bittersweet. Every kiss knocks me off my feet. Can't let go, but it's killing me slow. In the end, love's the cruelest foe. Too much love will kill me, that's what they say. But I can't help falling every single day. Love is so hurt, it's tearing me apart. Got a hole where I once had a heart. Try to run, but I can't hide from the pain that's deep inside.